YouTube Premium and YouTube Music Premium are membership services that we offer to amplify your experience on YouTube. These memberships allow you to watch ad-free videos, download videos offline, and play videos on your mobile device while using other apps or when your screen is off. You may be eligible to sign up for a trial of these paid membership options to find out whether they're right for you. To view your eligibility for a trial on a computer, first go to youtube.com/purchases and make sure you're signed into your account. Under Offers from YouTube, there will be a list of any trials that you're eligible for. Then, select one of the offers to learn more and follow the steps to redeem. To view your eligibility for a trial on a mobile device, first, open the YouTube mobile app and make sure you're signed into your account. Tap on your profile picture and then Purchases and Membership. Under Offers from YouTube, there will be a list of any trial that you're eligible for. Then select one of the offers to learn more and follow the steps to redeem. During a trial, you'll get all of the same paid membership benefits as a YouTube Premium or YouTube Music Premium member. You'll need to add a payment method during the sign-up process for the trial, even though it will not be charged. However, you may see an authorization charge appear on your account. The authorization charge allows us to confirm that your payment method is valid. It is not an actual charge. This charge will disappear within 1 to 14 days. When your trial ends, it will automatically be rolled over into the applicable membership, YouTube Premium or Music Premium membership. We will charge the current membership price to the payment method on file on a recurring monthly basis unless you cancel before the end of the trial. If you cancel your membership during a trial, your trial membership will no longer be automatically rolled over into a paid membership at the end of the trial. You'll continue to have access until the end of the trial period. Thanks for watching.